Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is about how to open your very first ipython file using Jupyter Notebook. So let's jump in. The first step is to install Anaconda on your system. Open your favorite browser and go to anaconda.com, which is the official website. Next, go to Products and click on Individual Edition. Then click on Download. It will take you towards the bottom of the web page. Then select the installer corresponding to your operating system and save it. Wait until the downloading is completed and then click on the exe file to start installation. Follow the steps as shown here. It will take several minutes to install. In my case, it took about 10 minutes. So let's fast forward. The installation is now complete, so let's move to the next step. The second step is to open Jupyter Notebook. So I have saved my ipython file Gaussian pulses in the D drive. It is important to launch the Jupyter Notebook from here to avoid complications. So please check the following steps carefully. Click on the address bar and copy the path. Next, type Anaconda prompt in the search box and open it. Type cd space and paste the folder path and hit enter. Notice that the path hasn't changed. Type d colon and hit enter. If your file is stored in some other drive, you have to type corresponding letter for that drive. And now you can see we have arrived at the correct folder location. Now type Jupyter Notebook with a Y instead of I for Jupyter and hit enter. Next, copy the address, go to your favorite browser and paste it in the address bar. Once loaded, you should be able to see your file. Click on it and the file will open in a new tab. Select a cell and hit Shift Enter. The cell will be executed and the control will automatically move to the next cell. Hit Ctrl Enter to execute a specific cell. You can also open the notebook in a different browser. To do so, save your notebook, close the tab, go to a different browser and paste the same address. Click on the ipython file to open it. You might have noticed that the command prompt didn't open the Jupyter Notebook automatically in the browser, and you have to copy paste the address every time, which is inconvenient. To solve this issue, simply restart your computer and follow step 2. Now you can see, after following the same steps as I described earlier, Anaconda prompt opens my default browser and then launches Jupyter Notebook in it. In another video, I will explain how to set the default browser for Jupyter Notebook, and you can find the link for that video in the description. Hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching.